Today we will talk about a newly discovered planet. Enaiposha is completely unlike anything found in our solar system. Initially classified as just another exoplanet in an ordinary group, this world was once believed to be a mini Neptune. However, it unexpectedly displayed characteristics of a super-Venus, reshaping our understanding of certain planetary types. A startling super-Venus, Enaiposha, also known as GJ1214b, was initially classified as a small, gas-rich world. However, new observations indicate that it more closely resembles Venus, only on a much larger scale. Scientists suggest calling it a super-Venus because it has a thick, puffy atmosphere made of gases like hydrogen, helium, water, methane, and carbon dioxide. They discovered this by studying light from the planet and finding tiny hints of these gases in special parts of the spectrum. Why Enaiposha is so different? Most planets in our galaxy, the Milky Way, are called sub-Neptunes. They are smaller than Neptune but still have thick atmospheres. There aren't any like them in our solar system. Scientists study planets by looking at atmospheres using special tools to help them see kinds of gases.
Enaiposha is different from most sub-Neptune planets because its upper layers are covered in thick haze and tiny particles. This makes it really hard for scientists to study its atmosphere and figure out what gases are in it. Venus also has clouds that hide its surface, but Enaiposha is even more extreme. It's bigger, hotter, and has even thicker layers that make it extra tricky to explore. Air that blocks the light. When Enaiposha passed in front of its star, the light dimmed a little in certain spots. This happened because some gases in its atmosphere absorbed the starlight, helping scientists learn more about what the planet is made of. The data showed that Enaiposha's air has more heavy metals and less hydrogen than scientists thought. They also found water vapor in the atmosphere, but that wasn't the biggest surprise. Tiny hints of complex metals appeared, which was strange for a planet that was once thought to be much simpler. As starlight passed through Enaiposha's outer atmosphere, some colors of light were absorbed. This told scientists that gases like carbon dioxide and methane were in the air.
Is there CO on Enaiposha? Astronomers Everett Schlawen from the University of Arizona and Kazumasa Ono from Japan's National Astronomical Observatory led the study. The scientists found a small hint that Enaiposha might have carbon dioxide, just like Venus. The signal for CO we found was really small, so we had to be extra careful to make sure it was real, said Ono, the scientist in charge of the study. Sometimes, scientists call planets a little bigger than Earth super-Earths, and those that are bigger but still smaller than Neptune are called mini-Neptunes. This planet, though, seems to be in a strange middle spot, making it even more interesting. Studying Enaiposha, a super-Venus, is tricky because of the haze. The haze makes it hard to see what's going on deeper in the planet's atmosphere, so scientists only get faint clues. Sometimes, one measurement gets lost because the star is too bright. Scientists might need to take many more readings and use new tools to be sure of everything they've discovered. Why does any of this matter? Some wonder whether similar planets hide in other star systems. It may be risky to assume that everything beyond our Sun fits neatly into known boxes. Astronomers have found thousands of strange worlds. Astronomers have discovered thousands of unusual planets, and this one is special because it doesn't fit what we thought was normal for mini-Neptune planets. The good news is that the methods used to study Enaiposha could help us learn about other planets that might have life. Although Enaiposha is too hot for life, it helps us understand more about other planets that could be better for living. Even though Enaiposha is really hot, studying its thick haze and atmosphere can help scientists understand the air on other planets that are not as extreme. This is important for anyone looking for planets where we might be able to breathe, far beyond our own solar system. Some scientists are curious to see if the metals in Enaiposha's air can form droplets or complex clouds. This could help explain why so little light can get through its thick atmosphere. Some scientists think Enaiposha could help us understand how thick atmospheres change over time. It might also show that sub-Neptunes can turn into something different as they get older. In the future, studying Enaiposha's atmosphere, inside structure, and how it began will help us learn more about how sub-Neptunes like GJ1214b are made and change over time.
If you like this video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.